Well, I'm a complete weirdo in what we do. I didn't. My parents aren't lawyers. My parents aren't physicians. I grew up on a farm, a horse farm in western Oklahoma, and those are my roots. I would get up and break ice on the ponds for our horses and cattle to drink every morning, and that shorts and cowboy boots was the way I grew up as a little kid, and so there's a work ethic that comes about because of the way you're raised. It's kind of hardwired into your brain. And I wanted to get into the big city and do something interesting and fun. And I wound up being a police officer before I went to law school, which I'm incredibly grateful for. If it wasn't for that experience, I probably would have been just like anybody else who graduated law school, who never had a real job, and they needed to, 10 to 15 years of seasoning before they could be trusted to do much. But because I'd had, experience working, narcotics investigations and patrol and traffic and dealing with human beings in the worst part of their life, when I came in contact with them as a police officer, it was an experience they were going to remember for the rest of their life because it was probably a situation that was completely out of their control. And that's what I love the most about what I do now is I come into a situation where a healthcare provider has been sued, and it's the worst thing they've ever experienced. They're essentially experiencing a death of the perception of who they are, their perception that they're an infallible, doctor and incapable of mistake, and they've got a cottage industry that is geared towards making them look bad and trying to exploit a bad outcome of one of their patients. And it's that same ability to come in and take control over that situation, but still let it be respectful of the fact that these people are not having a good day. This is a lifetime, bad event for them. And you come in and you take control in a way that's respectful for them, that at the same time makes them feel like that you're advocating for their interest. That's what gets me out of bed every morning, excited to come to work.